Welcome to the PTE Test Prep channel. If you're aiming for a 79 plus score in PTE, this video will help you understand exactly how to choose the correct answer with confidence. In this PTE reading question, I'm not going to explain every word. I'm going to show you why the correct answer fits, using grammar, collocation, and meaning. In PTE reading, we don't guess. Let's start with the first blank. The ribs form a cage that shelters blank heart and lungs. This blank needs an article before heart and lungs. The correct answer is the, because we are talking about specific organs in the human body. In English, when we talk about body parts in a general or scientific way, we usually use the. Examples: protect the brain, move the body, use the eyes. So, the heart and lungs sounds natural and correct. Let's move to the second blank. The correct answer is two. Joints are defined as the place where two bones meet. This is a fixed idea in biology. A joint always connects two bones. Grammatically, two bones is correct because bones is a countable plural noun, so we need a number. Other options like which, one, or that do not fit because we need a number here, not a relative word. So, two bones meet is correct in terms of grammar, meaning, and concept. Now let's look at the third blank. The house. Joints of the body, such as those found at the hip, shoulders, elbows, knees, wrists, and ankles, are freely movable. The correct answer is main. We use main because it means most important or major. The sentence is talking about the important joint of the body, like hips and shoulders. Also, main joints is a natural collocation in English. Why the other options are wrong. Whole. Whole means complete, but whole joints does not make sense here and sounds unnatural. Entire. Entire also means complete, but entire joints is not a natural phrase in this context. Individual. Individual means separate, but here we are talking about important joints as a group, not one by one. So the correct answer is main because it fits the meaning, sounds natural, and matches the context perfectly. Now let's look at the fourth blank. Kinds of freely movable joints are found in the human body. The correct answer is 3. This is because the sentence is talking about the number of types of joints. In the human body, there are 3 types of freely movable joints: hinge, pivot, and ball and socket. So the number must match the information given in the passage. Why the other options are wrong. All does not fit because the sentence needs a specific number, not a general word. 2. 2 is incorrect because there are actually 3 types, not 2. 1. 1 is also incorrect because the sentence is clearly talking about multiple types, not just one. So the correct answer is 3 because it matches the exact number of joint types mentioned in the passage. Now let's look at the last blank. Ball and socket joints allow the greatest freedom-movement. The correct answer is of. This is because in English, we use the fixed phrase freedom of movement. It is a very common and natural collocation, so of is the only word that fits correctly here. Why the other options are wrong. With. We don't say freedom with movement. This is not a natural combination in English. During is used for time, like during the day. It doesn't fit the meaning here. Freedom to movement is grammatically incorrect. We use to with verbs, like freedom to move, not with nouns like movement. So the correct answer is of because it forms the natural and correct phrase freedom of movement. Before you go, Drop a comment and write understood if this strategy is clear to you. Your comments help me know what to create next, and I'll make more videos to help you get a high score.